Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply for an e-visa, or you can say online visa, online tourist visa for Romania, step by step. So before I proceed further, I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body, and this video is just based on my knowledge and research. So if you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. And this video is made just to show you how to navigate through a service. Whatever entry, whatever information I include in this video are sample only, and when you do it, you have to do it as per your own case, because if you take anything from these samples, it may not work for you. Alright guys, so guys, in front of you I have opened the official Ministry of Foreign Affairs site. So you see I have a link to apply e-visa. I click on it, it opens a new tab. So here I have the link apply for a visa. So I have 3 steps: apply, continue and check, of course, like. So I click on apply and it is rotating and opening a page. Useful information. What are the things you need before you apply? You have a valid email address, use a computer, okay. Attachment: each document must not exceed 2 MB, only Latin characters are allowed, following formats are allowed. PDF, yeah, how it works: the visa applicant consists of a number of fields that you have to fill in up, and then you can even save it temporarily, and it is saved temporarily for 30 days. Consent regarding terms of use, you need to read it everything, understand it, and then you can consent. When you click on next, you come here. So this is for the first time, so I gotta sign up, so I'm gonna do it. Alright, then it sends an email to you from where you have to pull up the file code. So also check your spam mailbox when you do this. So this is the page that you get, okay. So because we haven't done anything, so that's why it is like this. So I'm gonna click on update visa application. So these are the questions. This is very simple. So let's say somebody is doing from India, so I'll just put some sample, okay. There's one in New Delhi, okay. Type of travel document, ordinary. I select yes, whichever is applicable in your case. Now I'm going to click on next. Now here you need to select the type of visa that you want: airport transit, official visit, tourism, private, business, sports, other. So for the purpose of this video, I select tourism and I click on next. If you find yourself in one of the particular situation, please select I hold 2 or more multiple short entry Schengen member states, Schengen member state, Belarus, Cyprus. I hold Schengen member state, one of the particular, okay. Bulgaria, Cyprus. I have a long term here. I have a family member who is a European. I have a family who is a Romanian citizen. I do not find it, okay, because maybe they give you some exception based on these. Supporting documents. Okay, so what are the things they have asked you to upload? Travel, medical insurance, means of support, proof of itinerary, accommodation, valid travel document, travel ticket, photographs, vehicle supporting documents, invitation approved by general for, okay. Upload Amaral support required to put visa, okay, fine. So for the purpose of this video, let me see if I click on next, it takes me to other screen or not. Okay, so without even uploading some documents I can, but you don't do that. When you go for it, apply based on your situation, particular situation as regards certain supporting documents, okay. You can read it out and select. I'm just for this sample, so I'm just doing it because based on that you can be asked, you have to provide more documents. Now personal data. This is very simple. Some fields are already selected, so I'm going to put some sample and go to next. some fields are mandatory, so I must submit it. So I'm just gonna put some sample there. Alright guys, next is about travel document. So I'm again gonna put some sample entries, and also employer information and occupation. So just provide what information you have. Provide the details about the visa, number of requested entries, I select multiple, whatever is applicable in your case. Duration, I said 20 days, and previous stay information if you have, definitely. Now arrival, date of arrival in Romania, so I'll put some sample. Departure, okay. Member state, I'm just provide full information guys, don't do it like me. Cost of something, you need to provide that information. I just skipped it because it's a sample video, but you have to do. Visa applicant family, is there any, you need to provide all this information, but because it's not mandatory and I'm just making this sample, I'm just skipping, but you have to go for it. Details regarding host, so here you need to provide your home address. In the next stage you will be paying, and from there the application will be processed, and then after that you can check the status. So because this is just a sample video, I have taken you guys up to here, like this is how you apply, and I hope you have got the idea. Thanks for watching this guys, I'll keep you guys updated.